Hello, TechSavvvvy. Today unboxing video. Today I have found out I ordered so much stuff from Amazon that Jeff Bezos personally delivered it by himself. I think right now, I think I joke now, I just not even the CEO anymore. Damn it. Oh well. You guys have a fucking drone here. Got a unbagging, I guess. We'll unbox this here. Oh, that's not good. A Tascam recording it. Digital audio recorder. So I want this. I want to have a backup audio device to record with. I run off on my mixer, record my mic only. So should the audio go to shit and the recording itself, I have a solution for it. Then record audio somewhere else, maybe not in my house, maybe in my room upstairs. Whatever, I have now a unit that can do that by itself. The computer and mixer and mic needed, and something hopefully good quality. Alright, the manual, pretty thick actually. Probably a big bit. And this is not hurting. The actual recording unit. So. I really need an SD card. Feel light actually. That's too light, but here's what the batteries are. Yeah. I'll pop this in there. Has two S1/4" inputs, but a mic at the top. Yeah, a guard on the mic, that's pretty quality. See that, and then they don't guard very well, but I like a transport plugin. It's neat. It's surprising. What kind of SD card do you need? Full size. Well, I looked at a few micro SD, a few are full size. So I got a full size SD card. Fair enough. Yes, can you? It's designed like better later. Put it on the bottom one perfect. Kiss my ass. They're gonna check it or not. I'm not sure. I have a. I know. Look at camera. Yeah, I got it. You go. You gotta have one that I can use. It's not blank, but who has it? I got a backup already, so I just did this morning. Not even because I listened to it, I had to pull the files up anyway. So let's turn them up, and yeah, here on here. You have line, mic, and phantom power. Does that phantom power on it? It's pretty nice. And neat. I put the cover on now. We're gonna set it to line for the most hold. I was like a button lock, I think. What level? SD and USD. You can use it as a USB DAC too. So you got XLR and USB out. It's pretty cool. So let's go to the on button. I find it during that. I got dumb. Oh, it's a lock. Oh, I'm done. Slash home. Oh, part of that one too. Slow button. Slow button. The stop button serves as the power. English. Time and date is 2021. September 1st. 9 minutes. Format card. Shit. Oh yeah, format card for that. To work, I guess. Let's turn that off. What do we have? There. I think I thought there's two cards probably why. Or extra, that's probably MTFS. I'll find another card to use, but I'm not for this because I can't use those as well. But, yeah, cool. But more Ethernet jacks. Ones that I used during the network series suck, but shit quality. Hopefully they're a lot better. Oh. I ordered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I? I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, standard punch down Ethernet jacks. I don't know. I'm the one that I know when it has deep replacement because that's how I'm going to fucking work to record when I bought this. So yeah, that's that button. I will put the jack at some point, probably off camera. I don't know, off camera, on camera. I just had this and I'm doing dedicated to my video, so that went over that. And yeah. And of course, have the recorder. We'll go from there. Alright, one more page is open. I forgot to open it yet. And total best. It's just sitting there for like days now and it's not open. So, I probably shouldn't use this, but we'll see. Whoops. This was where I worked. I kind of brought home my asset. I forgot I had in my pocket. They won't care, I'll give it back, obviously. But, kind of forgot I had it. Whoops. So, I was just walking. I got 10 white Ethernet jacks. With the one jack I have on my desk. They punched down one. Not as coupler. The coupler just doesn't seem to work right. So, I'm gonna place that at some point with a better jack. And yeah. I will create a conclusion later on in this video. And we will call it all there. So I'll see you guys later. I'm not a thief, I just kind of forgot I had in my pocket. Whoops. Gosh, it's really sharp. Yeah, no shit, dumbass. I need it back to me. I will find this time there. Alright. So I'm gonna finish up the unboxing video. As usual, I can do this a lot. I unbox it, I'll jump ahead like a month, talk about it, and move on. Let's do it right now. The black Ethernet jacks, I did put one in my rack. Or two actually now. They both look fine. One's on the NAS, and one's on my Mac Mini. It's not in the rack. I'm one Mac Mini. I moved the old one to my rack to use as, don't know what yet. It's just gonna sit in there right now. So the black Ethernet jacks work fine. They were normal. No big deal. The white ones on the other hand, I put one in my patch panel by my desk where my HDMI jacks are in the outlet. it works, but the punch down is very weird. It's like, instead of being like this, like a straight angle, it's like straight, it's like sideways, like at an angle. So you're pushing it down, you need to work your way from, I think, the back to the front, to where the RJ45 is, to the back of the punch down block. I think it's been a while since I've done that. It was weird. I had to use two of them because the first one didn't work because of the way I punched it down. It actually broke it. I think it's a junk design. Well, it did. Once I got it right, it does work. So it's all good to go. Just a fucking weird design. I don't like it. I have a Tascam, works just fine. I've been using it, recording stuff a little bit here and there. No issues with it at all. And I did give that knife back. I put it on the manager's desk and no one said a word, so I don't think they're gonna get mad at me about it. It was an accident, and they're not gonna care. They won't care. They don't even know what happened. So everything's all good, and I still have a job. I don't worry about it. Like I said, it's a fucking knife. It's not like I did it on purpose. They know I wouldn't do something like that, and like I said, they didn't know that happened. So what they don't know can't hurt them. I'm not gonna kill them. So I'm not going to. I might hurt them, right? Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. I'm unboxing, damn it. That's me, guys. Take it easy.